From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, hard to believe we were below freezing yesterday morning, and now we're talking 80s spring warmth over the next several days as we round out the week and probably the weekend as well. As we head into Friday, those storms on the way. We're thinking Friday afternoon/evening. Timing still yet to be determined. As we get a little bit closer, we'll hone in on that, and perhaps a severe weather threat with those storms. So that's Friday. That's the day to look out for. And then this weekend looks like a mixed bag. We'll have some sunshine in the wake of a frontal trough, that Friday frontal trough on Saturday, but that front comes back up on us. A disturbance comes in. It looks like we'll see showers and some storms as we head into Sunday. So let's get into the weeds and talk about what's going on with respect to the upper level pattern. The water vapor imagery really depicts a potent upper level low that is tapped into an atmospheric river. Remember, we used to call that the old Pineapple Express, and it does extend back through Hawaii. Thus the name Pineapple Express, another big upper level low out here, but at moisture conduit heading for the southwest. And this is what it's been. Rain at lower elevations, snow at higher elevations. And boy, look at this storm system really wrapped around here just outside of San Francisco. The bay looks like open ocean with big waves out there as well. And again, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories. And outside of those winter advisories, you have high wind advisories, high wind warnings, and also flood watches and warnings going across the southwest. Meanwhile, in a more tranquil area across Louisiana, we generally have fair skies this evening. A little bit of a breeze coming in from the southeast, but plenty of stratiform clouds to the west, so they're going to be in and out. And so also some higher clouds kind of spanning around from the west out of that atmospheric river. So we're going to see plenty of clouds as we round out the week, but intervals of sunshine as well. So as we take a look at tomorrow morning, I think we'll stay lower 60s 4-hour low, but we'll see more sunshine tomorrow. Breezy and warm. Temperatures topping out near 80. Southerly winds, though, gusting up to 22. So it's going to be another breezy day, but not too terribly bad. And we kind of copy and paste that once again going into Thursday. Maybe a little bit more clouds in the morning and then a few more clouds mixed with the sunshine in the afternoon. But temperatures get into the lower 80s. Winds crank up maybe just a notch going into Thursday. Then we get into Friday. Here comes that weather system off to the north and west. Showers and storms near the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Perhaps a severe weather threat here going into Friday. And let's bring in the Euro model so we see what goes on. That storm moves generally to the north and east of us, but a trailing front with showers and some strong thunderstorms will be likely moving through Louisiana as we get into the latter part of the day. Again, tough call right now. Notice those winds gusting close to 40, so it's going to be a windy day on Friday as well. Those storms begin to lift out into Friday evening, but in its wake we'll have this little bit of a frontal trough, and here comes showers and storms again come Sunday, perhaps Monday, and that's kind of important to note. Then we dry out, but we could see a couple of inches of rain. Not so much with the weather system Friday, but what follows it. Here's that severe weather outlook for Thursday, that severe weather threat across Texas, and then Friday it's going to be Louisiana on northward, and I think we'll be in a marginal to slight risk the way it looks right now, and then a slight to maybe enhanced risk as you get farther to the north and we get future updates from the Storm Prediction Center. So lower 60s overnight tonight. Tomorrow we'll push into the lower 80s. Should be a very nice spring day for sure. So breezy and milder overall tonight compared to last night. Will be some about 10 degrees milder than last night, which is 30 degrees milder than it was the night before. And then as we head into our Wednesday, temperatures topping out near 80 with plenty of sunshine and those winds kicking in during the course of the afternoon as well. Moving it into the 10-day forecast, here we go with the storms on Friday, at least 80%. That rain chance probably goes to 90% tomorrow. Not much rain, moves through fast, so maybe an inch and a half of rain with that next weather system. But then you add Sunday and Monday, then we have a pretty good soaking across the area, but that's just one model run. Forecast can change. But bottom line, unsettled weather, latter part of the weekend into early next week, and a little bit cooler midweek. Overall, a typical March forecast.